dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a reinstall video. I'm taking this blonde wig off and putting on this burgundy wig, and I don't know what part I'm gonna do, probably a middle. I don't know, I've been getting into it a little bit, so we're gonna just see. But yes, I'm about to just install. I've had this wig on for like 2 weeks and some change. That's a long time for me because I'm always changing my wigs. But yes, let's get into the video. So right now I'm just doing the ball cap method. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You just want to cut the air tab so that it lays out nice and flat. And this really does, this protects my edges. Speaking for myself, it protects my edges, I feel like. And it's not really always necessary because there have been times where I've done a wig install and I didn't use a ball cap method, but I just feel like this works best. And the spray I use, so I didn't completely finish with the Got To Be Glue spray because I don't really like it that much as it comes to the ball cap method, because it doesn't usually like dry as good. So I went and got my even black spray, and this really did the trick. So once the glue or the spray is completely dried on the ball cap, you just want to cut it as it lines up to your hairline. Not too close, but not too far, because you still want it to be covered so that it protects your hair. Now I'm taking my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color 12, and then I use the darkest part. I honestly feel like cream foundation is much better than powdered and liquid foundation when it comes to the ball cap and just the wig process in general. It's more smoother, it looks more natural. And then I'm taking, oh my god, I hope y'all didn't see the back of my head, my kitchen area. But I took my Bold Hold Active and I am attempting to take out the glue. But I feel like Bold Hold Active is really good as well. And I'm just gonna apply it to my hairline. Y'all gonna see I just had to end up I had to just take the cap off and rub the glue on the comb and put it on my head. But yes, I use 3 layers of this, but of course with every layer you have to wait until it dries. So when one layer dries, you add the next one, and I do this 3 times because I do wear my wigs for a week. But if you're somebody who doesn't do all of that, week wearing of the wigs and stuff, I feel like 1 to 2 is fine for you. 2 layers at most is fine.
That's that most city, that's I that you can't go around at night. You like to get me out, you know I know I'm inside. You like when I make fire, send the flame can make you fire. Let me come.
So I went in again with the same cream foundation that I used in the beginning, and I'm just putting it on the inside of the wig and the outside. I've always been the type to put, the foundation on the inside, but then I had seen Arrogant Tape put on the outside. I'm like, why haven't I, done that? But in the next following clips, you're just gonna see me applying the lace onto the glue and just pressing it down. So yeah.
Show me why you're crying, how can it be, deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already.
Then after the lace is, pressed down into the glue, I like to take my spritz spray and just spray it onto the lace. And then I end up, just tying my band on it.
If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to...
So yes, I did end up doing a middle part. I sure did. I don't know, I just felt like I had to do it. It had to be done. But in the next following clips, I'm just gonna be styling my hair. I use my Care wax stick from the hair store, y'all. They be taxing. This probably costs like $25, and it's literally on the verge of being done. But I'm gonna get every penny, every cent, all my money's worth. But yes, I'm just gonna be styling my hair and all that good stuff.
I'm on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now? Why you made a war that will fight?
Just a little disclaimer, the hair is low-key damp because I did not want to blow dry the hair, and it was air. Oh my god, y'all see how stiff it looked because it's wet. But I didn't like blow drying my wigs. I rather them air dry, but I needed my hair done. It's like 12 o'clock at night. I got stuff to do the next morning. My hair needs to be done.
From a life of the hopeless. Now you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering.
So now it's time for me to take that band off, the like relief. And I know y'all see that white cast around it, and y'all are probably like, what is that? Don't worry, just wait till the end. It's gonna be gone, because there's no way I'd walk out looking like that.
Back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Cry now from the shine, now come on. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait.
After applying makeup, I'm gonna start taking out my baby hairs. This was a used wig, but you know, sometimes you gotta just create new baby hairs. There was a lot of plucking that was going on. I'm just letting y'all know. I had to do a lot. This wig was worn multiple times, and it just needed to be finessed.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. Amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Fucking bitches, now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. You gotta tell them how you fucked up on the inside.
Then I'm gonna take my Gorilla Snot, and I'm gonna just do one edge, y'all, because it's just really a long process. I can't do all four on camera, so I'm gonna just do one. And I just like to swoop. I really just like doing the two in the front and the sideburn edge thing, well, the edge look. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here.
She just let me know, but it's sure no fit. It ain't safe round here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe round here, but she doesn't run from right here. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Ooh, won't let you go.
So now I'm just going in again and for ironing my hair because y'all saw the crappy job I had done the first time. And you know, there's a saying that says if you have time to do it wrong the first time, you definitely got time to do it a second time. And I ain't got nothing but time. I ain't got nothing but time. So I did it a second time.
I'll put your love on the pedestal. Whatever you want, I'ma get it for you. Hop into it, we can go ski. Show you the city that made me like this. Made me like this. Made me hoop out and say 21st Street. Made me hoop out and see your mom told you about this side. It could get ugly. I'm just a boy from the
Then I'm just taking my Ebin Black spray for an extra melt and extra security. And then I'm fanning it so that it could dry and stuff. Y'all, if y'all see me doing random poses, just know it's for a thumbnail. You know, they're about to come up. Y'all see it? Yeah. Yup. Per. You guys, I'm done. 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 I'm so happy I'm done, y'all. This is an old wig, and y'all, I was plucking up this side because I used to wear a side part, so this side has gone through a lot with the edges. But this side, I didn't really, you know, do too much on it. Or did I? I don't think I did. I don't know. Did I? I don't know. No, I did use, I don't know. But anyways, I had to make a whole new edge basically because, you know. And then this one already had one made, but it was kind of scanty. But you know, I made it work. Oh, this is so cute. This is cute. Oh. This is cute. Y'all, I was so against middle parts, and when I did my blonde wig, that was like the first time I did a middle part in forever. Like, I literally did not like middle parts, and now I love them. Like, it's just giving. I want to get a 30-inch bust down from the right side. Cool extensions. Yeah. I'm gonna get a 30-inch jet black bust down, 30-inch touching my booty. I'm so excited. Yeah. That's a cute thumbnail. Thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video, y'all. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. It sounds so little, but it's so big to me. Y'all get me to 100 subscribers. I'll literally be so happy. But thanks for watching, y'all. This is so cute. Alright, bye.